Nopales, cactus paddles. I'm going to show you how to prep nopales and how to cook them. Be sure to protect your fingers and use a kitchen towel and carefully hold the nopal at the base. Remove any spines on the nopales by running a sharp knife against the grain of the spines. This is a bit time consuming, but you don't want to miss any thorns. Be sure to flip the nopal and repeat the process. Next, you want to cut away the outer edge and then slice off the base of the nopal. As you can see, that's where the majority of thorns are. To grill nopales, first slice the nopales and lightly score them, but keep the base intact. Do you see some of that slime? In Spanish, it's called bava. Once cooked, that will cook off. I love nopales for breakfast. Huevo con nopales, yum, or in a tortilla with cheese as a quesadilla. My favorite is an ensalada de nopales. You can find lots of recipes on my blog. To boil nopales, basically slice or chop the nopales. You can actually eat nopales raw. I like to add them to my morning smoothie. Did you know that nopales are chock full of antioxidants like vitamins A, C, and B? They are an uber rich source of fiber and hydration. You can cook nopales on a griddle or on the grill on medium-high heat for 4 to 5 minutes per side. Generously sprinkle the nopales with salt. The nopal cactus is a plant native to the mountains of Mexico. It has been used since ancient times as both a food and for its medicinal and health benefits. To boil nopales, place chopped nopales in water with a tablespoon of salt and boil them for about 20 minutes. Once the nopales have changed color, they are good to go. Drain, and if you wish, feel free to rinse them in cold water. And there you have it, 2 ways of how to cook nopales. You can either grill them or you can boil them. What is your preference? Let me know in the comments below.